Mokonyoye Professor Kithure Kindiki umugabana bwe county ya Kisii umuske Simbarati umugabana bwe county ya Nyamira umuskamus Nyalibo n'abawaziri n'umuwaziri w'ikisemi umuske Julius Ogamba barayibande obaraba jumbe ku rukinsemo a imeyagusi n'abaroba ikiranire asomoye go yonyota.
Do not believe the naysayers. They have nothing to offer us. They have no plan, they have no agenda, they have no vision, they cannot tell us anything. And I want to commit that every program we have undertaken, kwa hiyo program ya export of labor, hiyo nimewaambia, tuko na vijana 1530 kufikia leo, ambayo wamepata kazi nje ya Kenya in the last 3 years. Na tunaendelea kila wiki. Tunatuma vijana 300 every week. Wanaenda ngambo kufanya kazi, watuletee dollars tuweze kujenga Kenya. Vijana vile vile mimi nataka niwaeleze. Tulikubaliana kazi ni kazi. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Mahali kazi itapatikana tutafanya. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Na mkiniona hapa kama mimi ningekuwa sio mtu wa kujituma, mimi singekuwa hapa. Tunaelewana? Mnanielewa? Kama singekuwa mtu wa kujituma, I would not be here. Ningekuwa ofisini. Si ndio? Nikizunguka kwa meza hapo na bwana rais, excellency, Lakini nimejituma hapa kwa sababu nyinyi vijana ni wa muhimu katika taifa letu la Kenya. And I must work for you. This administration must work for you. Because that is how we are going to move Kenya to the next level. That is how we are going to change this country. That is how we are going to move this nation from a third world nation to a first world nation in our lifetime. Na mimi nataka niwaeleze inawezekana. Tumekubaliana my friends. Nikiondoka hapa saizi, mimi niliwaeleza wa Kenya ya kwamba tutakuwa na program ya housing ambayo itatupatia nafasi ya ajira ya vijana. Nikitoka hapa saizi naenda Nyambera. Pale tunajenga soko ya milioni 350. Tuko na vijana zaidi ya 350 wanafanya kazi pale. Hapa Kisii tumeweka pesa bilioni 33. In the history of Kenya, there has never been an administration that has spent 33
Onchumurigili yuno muraibwense ukwanire ase egeti kia Gusii Stadium na mona sagendete koranga abasai banyole chibese chigati yaye nilia kwanire mirobelio serikali ya ira chikobaga yakoro togende gwikese county ya Nyamira sobo choli bwekyombe yokwegera abali mugia kupet asoro sagirwa Nyamira abo bono borachikwa babo kolekana sitaliki 15 mutinyo kabiroli busyo nigo chi campaign chi abali mu abo chigenderete munyakiro go kupet korwa se county ya Nyamira uyora bisia selieta omorokia George Murara uyo gosomya se skuru ya St Paul Mbonga igagendete gusaba abalimu banyara kwa babako bakira chikura nako bairania bisi
gondo munyakero bw'ekombieti yakupe ku Nyamira county yo na beire obisi tam kwa era bono waka chikura tale 15 njiguno munyakero bo novisi na tenenire abobisa bachorwa ngakitwa cha 2021 na wetera service yeyo twanyara ko bole pass yeito 31 sita ye union county ya Nyamira ya konyera balimu mono sana simincho ya mangana yo kuraisisha pero tubwate bokongondo bwensi ya raisishira balimu baito be county ya Nyamira kwa iba sense media yo kurwa tokoroka bari of benevolent fund LBC twa 2021 tibuno nyakero na overseer document which was kirito twa bari baito boikera ase olio umano kurikibesa akwaewa elbustini na bero yo mogo otebia national office ase buremurure kolengana alichi kolio ya education asaba ali mubaito serikali etarangaro kobeka obwa mono promotions bali muba basitagenetirie matuka mangi ase C3 na bero yomo basibaria bagotenena kuboria nga tiga serikali umufumo munya barantete okaria progression ocho rweito wa kufunyira county igobore tariki 15 mutinyo kabere mwaka oyo.
Tukanda busio banyene bechigali cyo bosombi cya matatu imeyense bagoserere gucia kogenda umugiro gucakira eikegocha kubwetekana na kili batebire nigo abarundi abechipigipigi bagendete kubuna lichiko na gusamba chigali cyabo na gusalia ebintu binde ebinge.
From Monday, we will make sure all major towns and cities and roundabouts in the country, there will be no passing until the government addresses. We have not seen any arrest. We have not seen any report. Unless we have that sitting to be assured by the minister, by the president, of the safety measures of the investors. You know, a boda guy uses 15,000 girls for a loan. A matatu or a truck driver uses millions of shillings. So we want the attention of the government on this matter.
We are going to work very closely and we are not going to disrupt any business. We will make sure other businesses are moving on as it's supposed to be. We are going to listen to is the president, because these other people have failed. The police have failed, NTSA have failed, and even the minister himself, he has failed. Since he came to office, he has never met the Matatu Owners Association. The Matatu people, he has never met.
Muchumuliro tokana busio munyakirogo bwe kiama gya Jubilee kurwa orosagiriwa county ya Kisii aselieta Peter Kanga otebire nsemo ya United Opposition ekero egaliganetie gochia kogendaso county cia Gusii omutinyo gocha abagusi nigo babwenete koro kia maskani na kobeko mulembe ime ye ensemo ya Gusii boigo osabira abagusi kwelikia asobonge elio kurwa libaga lya bene elio konekinga banyare kwa bakonyora libaga yo kumwakera omuskematia ngichikura omwaka w'ikirubere 2022
nje gongoro kunga Peter Kanga and nigonde chairman ye kiama ya Jubilee as a county to ya Kisii abagusiba minto naroranga mwabeira abantu mwamanyire siasa buya mwamanyire obuya bw'obugambi na narorenga mwakira ange mutagete kubwaterana amo egere tonyare kubeka omwana ominto yosokiro politike rwo kyobo obu president wa Kenya yukorukunga Fred Okengo Matiang'i tosoe epasie yemo ekoroko Jubilee egere tonyare gutare sabari yitwense toramo no Mugusii mwa Mugusii no muntu mungaini omuntu manyire kabo muntu kwerigeria gakwerigeria na andoro mungaini bono chiro beiro mungaini politically pakwanjira ni Kenya ngima ngana bakogamba so ase ninjo yaigo Gonate birente tekosorora abaminto barimo soete bigari bibike binyombe bibike mocha motoba motosoe nyumba ya Jubilee tosoe basi ya Jubilee togende sabari yemo tobeke president ye to state house eye korkunga Fred Okengo Matiang'i
asengenjo yobo choli gositugwato mwana itoko kwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i oibono tumurekerete taya astogocha kwambuka gochikanani ekero mware chesligo ntomo echinguru nonyenerekera chuikara semesa buchikwamana bali bande bonsi kiagara no mumanyetenga ugambi obo ndoko nyari isakweke morasma tubwateranie chikabire chinde egere tonyare okoreki tunyare konyoro ubwo ndoligo otebanga egari yao otagari kawo saga pikipiki kawo nakabe kamuranje mbiya toro kia masikani toro kinga mwene getinge igare epasi imeyemo ekuru Jubilee elinde linonye noyo ogochi goto ambokia gochikanani umo president ito gochiko 2027 nge nande onare gosaba tolerance amaskani no tolereru engaki umutinyo ko mutwe United Opposition nechigo cha Gusii etarere nyamira ya ito etarere Kisii echekoranga ngakitwe yali ganiri engaki ntoja okorwe nyangi into nawo nyanyangi
tokana bosio muraibwe kiama gya PDP omuske omingo magara urule birengera libiaye maiga yoroboti rich sab koro kyobukwanyi gwechibesa chitenerete gwese chetane chisiringi chibirioni 10 kurwa sike ganja kelikia sha ekyo gegotenera chibiri chenya gitali meyense muske magara nigo boigo atebira barai abange bale asensemo ya United Opposition na babwate libaga lyokorongia ensi ya Kenya igaya kwaneta ya somoyega gwe kiama kia NDC gye kiama gya Democratic Party uyo ikirani tunabarai amonabo omoske madhakarwa Fred Matiang'i Kalonzo Musyoka Rigathi Gachagua na barai bande abo bale asobwa mu bwa United Opposition.
This is where the country is headed to. If you're not here, lako halipo. Number 3, we have a problem in this country. If the government of the day that is so confident of winning an election can actually say, Honorable Rigiji has grenades, AK-47, Kenyans must start getting worried because then Rigiji could be stronger than the government of the day. Finally, today in today's newspaper, 11 billion has been wasted through She. And Parliament, being an appendage of the State House, they cannot summon the organs to account for it. We must finalize this, and the solution to Kenya is this team.
We are in the United Opposition because we all agree to the one-term movement to remove the pain of Kasongo, which is on every household. Na tumesema lazima tujipende kama wa Kenya. We must agree to one candidate for the presidential and all other consequential seats. Ndivyo tuondoe hii serikali ya uongo, ya Kasongo na uongo. Tulikuwa hapa tu muelewe, tuko pamoja as United Opposition with one common purpose, kuleta uongozi bora katika nchi yetu. Kuleta uongozi wa mwongozo ya kisheria na sio mwongozo wa mtu binafsi na vile fikra zake ziko. The manual for operating the Republic of Kenya is the Constitution of Kenya 2010.
Tokanda busia bateneri bechinsana ensemo ya Taita Taveta eyo bwatoro sana rwasavo basabira abamenyi bensemeyo kubwaterana ne sector yechinsana ne county ya Taita Taveta ekero bagendete korose lichiko yogokoro muchando bwemerere eyo agendete gosamba chinsana ensemeyo ngo bayakwanira ya litukolia lero ekero mubaso ekero omurero munge ogendete gwoka ase orusana rwasavo.
This plan has come up with strategies to ensure there is both proactive and reactive methods and also effective use of fires to manage the high intensity wildfires that are predicted and dictated by the climate issues in this country.
Given like last year vile ilivyokuwa na tuseme years ago, moto unawaka unaenda miezi na miezi bila kuzimwa, imekuwa worrying, na mimi naona zile measures ambazo tumeweka saa hii ni jambo ambalo pengine hatutaliona kuanzia nyakati za kiangazi ambayo tunaelekea.
Wakati moto unachoma hizi conservancies ama maeneo hifadhi, kuna wanyama ambao wako katika athari za kuangamia. Kwa hivyo moto unaleta madhara makubwa katika uhifadhi, pia unadhuru zile miundo misingi za jamii kupata mapato ya kila siku.
Mubunge Okiharu Ndindi Nyoro ogendereire goteba obonia bwechishia chia Safaricom bwekerengo gie 19 asemia echia serikali bwatase company ya Safaricom nigo chikorokia oba Kenya bunaboni bobwenete ko gochitiga ilichinyare ko bachikoba oboita iganyare ko bagakomochia serikali ya soko ni chishe echo asikilia tebirenga no korokia bututukanu bule imeja serikali niga yakwana ya sensemo ya Embu asige ikaro kia Basai.
Hiyo watu ya serikali, mimi nauliza kwa heshima. Hii share ya Safaricom, mimi sitaitikia muuze kama panga ambayo imekatika. Lazima muweke hiyo kampuni, watu wote waweke bidii zao, Wakenya wanufaike kwa pesa ambayo ni mingi. However, if you feel that you are not going to be answerable to the people of Kenya, I am going to share the phone numbers of directors of Vodafone. There is a Kenya pipeline shares that are being sold through an IPO now. You go back to where you were in a meeting, trying to think you are allocating 20 to 25% on something you are calling regional investors. And you are talking about Uganda. The people in government who want to buy Kenya pipeline shares, don't call yourself a regional investor based in Uganda. We know you, it is you.
Mwanchubulili gwikirabu kwia manyiri ali agendete okorekana kurwase chinsemo ao nabona nagati omuraibu ensenigara asesemiye county ya Kisii na mono nigo bono narorire agendete gwita asechibara na rwo mugabana gwe county ya Kisii simbarati otebirenga nigo bono chinga kichi kire magendera akorira ase county eyu anyare ko bagakoigwe ntundende kero bochori bu mwaka w'ikiri 2022 tobe tukubwati na koro oroboti gosali agendete okorekana kurwase county eyu ya Kisii anamonekera chibese cyanyota kigendete kurwegwa ochia ase abasae bakurwa orogongo rwa Gusii na namono chinkwana bagabana barakwana asensemeyu negati yabo tuligerera inkikeli mu waziri bw'ekisemi ere karanyoreri bagarakwana n'abajumbe bechinsemo ao chebunge cheguru kwa Innocent Onyango buya mono asogotengera egetaseni ye tugiye Soko TV na ndeci wika chinsa 10 mbo no manyigwe ali agendete gakorekana kurwa ase chinkongo ndoche kijana go somo sa ngurukanga oya ero ikirega igango chara chiko kumanyia yale asentana go se chinsemo chiricha abasai cheguru kwa Innocent Onyango.